The principal partner, Grace Law Practice LP, Edward Ejembi Omaga, has called on the federal and state governments to decongest correctional center as a measure to prevent the incessant jailbreaks across the country. The legal practitioner also suggested the use of alternative dispute resolution in settlement of conflict as a way to reduce the caseload for judges and giving them adequate time to focus on serious cases. He stated this at the unveiling of a legal consulting firm, Grey Law Practice Limited Partnership in Abuja on Friday. He said the firm was established to accommodate expansion in different practice areas to serve different categories of clients, both locally and internationally.
Thank you very much. Today is a wonderful day in our lives. Over the past 10 years, Chambers Grey Law Solicitors has been in practice, but because of the modern trends and the way clients operate now, technology has taken over a lot of things. There is a need for us to expand the practice, and that is why we are here today under a new name called Grey Law Practice Limited Partnership, to accommodate more expansion in different practice areas and then to serve different categories of clients, both locally and internationally. Then talking about advocating for good governance in Nigeria, one of the fundamental things we do in this chamber is what we call public interest litigation. It goes to show it's about development, it's about transparency, it's about what is going on around the society. How do we make the society a better place for people to live in? So most at times you see that the firm takes up cases, either for human rights sake or cases for the sake of correcting an ill in government, for the purpose of fighting corruption, something of that nature, just to make sure that the country is on the pedestal of growth, stability, and development. Corruption has eaten deep into the fabrics of the country called Nigeria. I will agree with you that there are some cases that lawyers were involved in either money laundering or whatsoever. But I can also tell you that there are too many lawyers who are doing well in practice. If you say a lawyer is involved in money laundering, the question you should ask is, who gave him the money to launder? I think we should be talking about the politicians who gave money to lawyer or give whatever brief to lawyer to use it as a way of laundering money. But by and large, we advocate that lawyers are the engineers of the society, lawyers are the torchbearers of the society. People come to ask us questions daily on what to do and what not to do. So as much as possible, we advise our lawyers to trade on the path of caution, on the path of integrity, so that you don't soil your hand in issues of money laundering and criminality. Criminality is not for lawyers. We defend criminality. We are not supposed to be mentioned as criminals. It's quite unfair. Every government that comes have their own way, style of leadership. While you may have rule of law reigning in other parts of the country, in other countries of the world, you may not have gotten exactly what you expect in Nigeria. More so that we are running a democracy. But then, you cannot take it away from the fact that the government of the day has tried to a very large extent to obey the rule of law. What we get may not be 100%, definitely. Like I said, there are different styles of leadership. What you got under President Goodluck Jonathan was not the same what you got with President Obasanjo, and now we are in Buhari regime. So you can weigh them by that kind of standard. But when we hope and pray that as we go into the 2023 elections, God will give us a leader, a president, who will not just obey the rule of law, but obey it totally, 100%.
Godwin Oyediro, GTV Africa.